I am Henry, King of England, the first of the Angevin kings, and my story begins in 1154, when I ascended the throne after years of chaos under Stephen of Blois. Born in 1133, I am the son of Geoffrey Plantagenet, Count of Anjou, and the formidable Empress Matilda, a woman whose strength shaped my own will. My reign has been one of ceaseless ambition, tireless reform, and tumultuous struggles, as I sought to impose order upon a fractured realm and carve a legacy worthy of my name. When I took the throne, England was a land of ruin. The anarchy of Stephen's reign had left castles in the hands of unruly barons and justice at the mercy of might rather than law. My first task was clear: to restore royal authority. I ordered the demolition of unauthorized castles and reasserted the crown's power over rebellious lords. With determination, I began the monumental task of rebuilding the kingdom. To strengthen my position, I forged an empire that stretched from the Scottish border to the Pyrenees. My marriage to Eleanor of Aquitaine in 1152, a union as tempestuous as it was strategic, brought me vast territories in France, including Aquitaine, Gascony, and Poitou. Together, we ruled over lands so extensive that they earned me the title of Henry of the Empire. Yet, our marriage was not without strife. Eleanor, a woman of rare intelligence and independence, would later rebel against me, sowing discord within my own household. As a ruler, I was relentless in my pursuit of justice and order. I reformed the legal system, introducing the common law that still forms the bedrock of English jurisprudence. My courts and itinerant justices ensured that royal justice reached even the furthest corners of my realm. The Assize of Clarendon in 1166 was a cornerstone of these reforms, establishing procedures for criminal justice and curbing the power of feudal lords. Yet, my reign was not without its tragedies and controversies. None looms larger than my conflict with Thomas Becket, the Archbishop of Canterbury. Thomas was once my friend and chancellor, a man I trusted implicitly. But when I appointed him archbishop, I did not anticipate that his loyalty to the Church would eclipse his loyalty to me. Our clashes over the rights and privileges of the Church led to a bitter feud, culminating in his murder in Canterbury Cathedral in 1170. Though I never ordered his death, the words I spoke in anger, "Will no one rid me of this turbulent priest?" unleashed a horror I could never undo. His martyrdom stained my reign and haunted my soul. My later years were darkened by rebellion, not only from my vassals but from my own sons. My ambitious heirs, Henry the young king, Richard, Geoffrey, and John, turned against me, spurred on by Eleanor. Their betrayals cut deeper than any blade, yet I fought them fiercely, determined to hold my empire together. The revolts of 1173 to 1174 and later conflicts drained my strength and fractured my family. Despite these challenges, I leave behind a legacy of transformation. I rebuilt a fractured kingdom, reformed its laws, and established a foundation for a centralized monarchy. My dreams of an enduring empire may have faltered, but the structures I created would shape England long after my death. I draw my last breath in 1189, defeated and betrayed, but resolute that my reign was not in vain. I was a flawed man, a fierce ruler, and a restless soul, but I sought always to leave my mark upon the world. As history judges me, I stand as a king who rose above chaos, struggled against fate, and forged a legacy that endures in stone and law, in triumph and tragedy.